people are too sure of themselves since they are at the top of the food chain. Even though we are the smartest animals on Earth, we never stop to think about why. Is it how long things last, how we plan, how we use tools, or how complicated our relationships are? Some or all of these things are also true of other animals. Figure out which animals are the most intelligent. Number 10. Rats. Scientists have used rats for years as laboratory research animals. Despite having small and comparatively undeveloped brains, their minds function in an extremely similar way to humans, and the brain structure is comparable as well. They have the ability to figure out mazes, memorize routes, and perform complex multiple-step tasks. Rats are also social animals. When left alone, they begin to exhibit signs of depression and loneliness. Number 9. Pigeons. Pigeons rank next on our list and colloquially go by the nickname flying rats. The reasons for their inclusion here though are significantly different. Pigeons have proved they can recognize their own reflection, which shows a complex sense of self-awareness. They have the ability to recognize specific people and places over months and even years of time. That memory is precisely why pigeons served for centuries to carry messages over great distances. Number 8. Crows. Crows are another highly intelligent animal species that have also worked as messengers much like the pigeon. They are able to use complicated group tactics when in combat with other animals like flanking maneuvers. Crows can also learn speech, and they have impressive memory. Researchers have recorded instances of crows altering migration patterns to avoid dangerous areas. Also, crows have even gotten caught memorizing garbage routes and schedules to more effectively steal a quick bite to eat from the trucks. Number 7. Pigs. Pigs just barely edged out dogs for our list of the 10 smartest animals. While dogs have intelligence comparable to a toddler, pigs operate at a much higher IQ level. They are able to understand the concept of reflection at only 6 weeks old. That is something that takes human children several months to comprehend. Pigs also have approximately 20 different sounds that they use to communicate, and mother pigs sing to their children while they are feeding. Number 6. Octopus. The octopus is the only invertebrate animal to make our list of the world's most intelligent animals. As the only member of its class listed here, you may be asking just how smart is an octopus? Captive octopuses have been observed using high-order planning with several steps to escape from captivity, and others are able to damage objects even outside of their tank by intentionally splashing water onto them repeatedly. They even throw rocks at glass and have been able to open jars with screw-on lids. Number 5. African Grey Parrots. The African grey parrot takes the highest avian spot on this list of most intelligent animals. Estimated to be as smart as a 5-year-old human, these parrots not only learn human speech, but they can master an impressively large vocabulary. In addition, African greys understand spatial reasoning, recognize and identify shapes and colors, and can even be taught the relationships between bigger and smaller, different and alike, and over and under. Number 4. Elephants. Elephants are frequently referenced for their long memory, but they are also one of the smartest animals. These animals have a complicated social structure and have been witnessed participating in funeral rituals for departed members of their family as well as mourning their loss. Elephants also use tools and medicate themselves. They will eat the leaves of certain plants to cure illness and even induce labor. Number 3. Chimpanzees. Our closest genetic relative comes in third place on this list of the most intelligent animals. Chimpanzees share 98% of their DNA with humans, and they are native to sub-Saharan Africa. They are expert tool users, and chimps have been seen improvising tools from available items in order to make what they need. These great apes also use psychological techniques. Within their own families, they will manipulate others to accomplish certain tasks. Number 2. Bottlenose dolphins. Any people believe that the bottlenose dolphin is the smartest animal, but it's ranked number 2 on this list. How smart is a dolphin? Honestly, it depends. There are over 8 species of dolphin, but only the bottlenose dolphin made the cut here. They have the largest brain size among all their relatives, and they are the only dolphin without fused cervical vertebrae, which allows them to make those human-like nodding motions with their heads. Number 1. Orangutans. Orangutans come in the first place here for a very interesting reason. Much like chimpanzees, the orangutan is able to use tools, learn sign language, and have complex social structures that involve rituals. What really sets them apart is the cognitive ability to understand the why, or the reasoning behind a certain action. In captivity, an orangutan has learned tool usage and the process of building a simple structure. It's no surprise that the orangutan is so smart, considering that it shares over 97% of its DNA with humans.